Hello everybody, Buffy the Rate Slayer here, and welcome to the last August episode of our weekly Market Insight series, coming directly from the Capital Markets Trading Desk, right here at SunWest Mortgage Company. Global markets bounced back this week after suffering losses last week. The hype of artificial intelligence has provided a boost in the tech-heavy NASDAQ 100, breaking the U.S. futures 3-week slump. In Europe, the Stoxx 600 index had its biggest day in nearly a month. The market's focus has shifted towards the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell's speech at the end of this week. He will be speaking at the end of the Central Bank Symposium in Jackson Hole, Wyoming. There is a cautious sentiment amongst investors as the strong economic data gives the expectation that the Fed's rate hike campaign to battle inflation might not be done. The Mortgage Bankers Association data showed that mortgage demand dropped 4.2% for the week ending August 18th. Home purchase applications fell 5% to the lowest level since April 1995. Refinances fell by 3% from the previous week and 35% lower than the same period from a year ago. Rising borrowing costs may be the reason, as the 30-year fixed mortgage rate increased to an average of 7.31% last week, its highest level since December 2000, and has been reported to have climbed to 7.5% on Tuesday. Even with the high borrowing costs, new home sales seem to be benefiting from low inventory. New home sales for the month of July are up 31.5% compared to 2022, while pre-existing home sales are behind by 16%. Month over month, existing home sales were down 2.2%. Many homeowners have been reluctant to move from their low interest mortgages, holding back pre-existing home sales. U.S. factories business equipment orders had a slight increase for the month of July. Meanwhile, durable goods orders declined by 5.2% month over month in July, demonstrating caution among companies amidst uncertainty and high borrowing costs. The Labor Department U.S. unemployment data released on Thursday for the period ending August 12th, it showed that initial jobless claims decreased by 10,000 to 230,000. The drop in applications brings unemployment benefits to their lowest level in 3 weeks, and it indicates a strong labor market as there is still a robust demand for workers. This indicates employers are hiring at a healthy pace. Continuing unemployment claims were down by 9,000 to 1.7 million. The Chinese government continued its campaign to protect the yuan by making it more expensive for investors to bet on declines. Policymakers have eased monetary policy and called for more lending. There are concerns amongst global investors that China's trust industry is showing signs of strain and that the adjustment made by the government may not be enough. Well, that is all I have for you this week, guys. Join me again next Friday for the latest news brought to you by the Trading Desk at SunWest Mortgage. Get outside, right? Enjoy this sunny summer day. Have a fantastic weekend, everybody. Buffy, out.